In this video, I'm going to do a quick demo on Azure CLI installation. So the first thing which I'm going to do to open my Microsoft Edge, once it is opened, I'm going to mention Azure CLI installation. So this is the official page of Microsoft. And then I'm going to select the install on Windows. Here we do have multiple options to download the Azure CLI. I'm going to select on 64-bit using MSI. So Azure CLI has been downloaded. I'm going to click on open file and the installation process has started. I will accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on install. So Azure CLI has been installed in this machine. I'm going to click on finish. Let me open the CMD. We'll mention is it hyphen version. So it is showing the Azure CLI version and the other dependency file also.